What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to take a look at a question that has come up before about mixing scents. So stay tuned. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman, and I do, as you can tell from the intro, I do hiking videos, some beard product reviews, some gear reviews, and if you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are a return viewer, thank you for subscribing. Please consider hitting that like button as well. Today we're going to talk about something that I've been asked multiple times, and is, do you mix scents from other companies? Now, I know D-Lump over at Lump Vision just did a video not too long ago about using different products from different companies in your routine. I'll link that video in the description below, and so you can check it out and check his channel out. He has some really good content. But what I want to talk about today is mixing different scents using an oil and a balm. Now, we don't always buy combos. Not all companies have combos. One company, for example, is Beard Juice. They're working on a balm, but right now they have no balm. So if I want to use a balm with my oil, then I've got to start finagling something and work something out. I do have some unscented product, oils and balms, but sometimes I like kind of mixing and matching. There's nothing wrong with that. Find scent profiles that you like, and you would be surprised at what a oil balm combo, what kind of new scent you can come up with. And I'm gonna give you 3 examples of combos that I personally use in my rotation, that I use together, that I think work really well together. Number 1 is Beard Juice beard oil. This is a cedar wood oil, and I pair it with Honest Amish balm. I think they work good together, but that's one combo that I use, and I think that they pair really well together. Another pair that I combine together is Valhalla Tobacco Vanilla and Grave Before Shave Cigar Blend. Now, the reason I put these two together, both of them have a very pronounced vanilla, and the vanilla is really good, and then the cigar and the tobacco kind of bring it in on the back end, and they're really good. They're really good together. So both of those. And then the third combo that I'm going to show you today is Manly Beard Oil Wood Fire, the Wood Fire Smoke, and Bad Dog Amber Oak. Now, you can't get around using Amber Oak by itself in the combo, using the oil and the balm. But if you want to mix things up a little bit, it works really good with this, because this smoky wood fire smoke, and combined with this amber oak, it has some smoky notes to it, and they just come together and pair really, really good. So look through your collection and kind of play around with some scents and figure it out. Everything I have doesn't pair well with everything, but I can probably find something that it will pair with. So not every company has combo deals, and sometimes we don't want to pay for an oil and a balm. We might only want to get the oil and not get the balm. Well, that's where we can mix and match and play with stuff we already have and make it work and make a new scent, a scent that we enjoy as the wearer. That's what the end game is, what the ultimate result is, or the ultimate goal is to find a scent that we like as the person wearing this. So I hope that helped. Go through what you have, mix and match. Drop me a comment below if you already do this. If you already mix and match scents, drop me some combos down below in the comments, because I'd love to mix and match some new stuff. And as always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless. The next combo that I use together is Valhalla Live the Legend Tobacco Vanilla.